video, I'm going to teach you how to automate a complete sales call system. By the end, you'll have a clear blueprint for detecting new leads, sending reminders, making AI-powered calls, handling inbound calls, analyzing conversations, updating your lead records, and emailing summaries, automatically and reliably. We'll begin with the outbound lead qualification flow. Everything starts the moment a new row appears in your Google Sheet. A Google Sheets trigger keeps watch continuously, and when a lead with a name, phone number, and a unique ID is added, it passes those details forward without any manual action. Right away, an SMS is sent via Twilio to prepare the lead for a quick chat. A friendly message like, "Thanks for your interest. We'll call you shortly to ask about your project," sets expectations and reduces surprise hang-ups. To ensure the message is seen, the workflow pauses for 5 minutes using a dedicated wait step. This short delay boosts answer rates and gives the lead time to read the text. After the pause, an HTTP request to RetellAI initiates the AI-powered phone call. The request includes the AI phone number, the lead's number, and the lead's unique ID, so the conversation can be personalized and context-aware. Next is the inbound call appointment scheduler. When someone dials the AI number, a webhook receives the incoming call event and captures details like the phone number and session data. The workflow immediately checks Google Sheets to see if that number already exists, pulling in the matching record when found. Then it responds to the webhook with dynamic variables, such as the caller's name, enabling RetellAI to greet and engage the lead personally and keep the experience seamless. Finally, we handle post-call processing. After a call ends, RetellAI sends a webhook with the transcript, automated analysis, qualification result, and any appointment availability. A filter ensures we only continue once the event indicates the call has been fully analyzed. From there, an IF check routes by direction. For outbound calls, the Google Sheet is updated with the qualification status, like qualified or not qualified, so your team can prioritize quickly. A Gmail step then emails a concise summary to your team, including the lead's details, the result, and a clear call recap. For inbound calls, the transcript is sent to OpenAI for deeper insights on conversation quality, potential improvements, and stronger voice prompts, helping you refine your script over time. Lastly, a confirmation email is sent to the lead with their details, available appointment times, the call summary, and the AI analysis, confirming their roofing appointment. With this setup, lead qualification, scheduling, and reporting run end-to-end with minimal manual effort.